Welcome all students. In Mathematics Standard 7, we are going to learn first chapter Geometrical Construction. It means Bhumitik Rachna. In previous Standard 6, we already learned about the point, ray, line segment, line and angles and types of angles. We see the main points of the chapter. First one, the angle bisector, cone dubhajak. Second, the perpendicular bisector of a line segment, lamba dubhajak. Third, the property of the angle bisector of a triangle. Fourth, the property of perpendicular bisector at sides of a triangle. Fifth, the construction of a triangle, trikon rachna. And sixth, congruence at segment, angle and circle, ekrupta. First, we see the angle bisector. A line bisector which divides an angle in two equal parts. अशी लाईन की जी दिलेल्या अँगलला दिलेल्या कोनाला दोन समान भागात विभागते तिला कोन दुभाजक असे म्हणतात. We see how the angle bisector can be drawn. In first step, we draw an angle of a given measure. After that, draw an arc of any radius to cut the rays of the angle at A and B. After that, put the compass on arc points and make the arcs at middle of the angle where two arcs meet together. That point join to point B. It forms ray BM which makes two equal parts of an angle. Next, that is the perpendicular bisector, lamba dubhajak. It's a line that cuts a line segment in two equal parts. अशी रेषा की जी दिलेल्या रेषाखंडाला दोन समान भागात दुभागते त्या रेषेस लंब दुभाजक असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, line segment of 5.3 centimeter. First, we draw a line segment with the help of ruler 5.3 centimeter and give names A, B. Then take the compass with pencil and make the arcs above and below side of the line segment from point A and point B. After that, the points where both arcs of A and B are joined together, that are joined by drawing line between them. In this way, line CD is the perpendicular bisector for line segment AB. Next topic, the angle bisector of a triangle are concurrent. Next, their point of concurrence is called the incenter and is shown by the letter I. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle are concurrent. Their point of concurrence is called the circumcenter and is shown by the letter C. Homework: to solve the practice set 1 on page number 2 of the maths textbook. Thank you.